Anyway, speaking of cute babies, there's a cute baby exploring this room right now. It's playing with stuff. Catwick! I have a new baby cat! John Cat has a brother! Catwick! He came home yesterday. Go pee, hidden... what? Oh, cat! No, cat, no! Cat, don't do that! Hello? Where is my mouse? Oh, you unplugged my mouse? That's what you did! Hold on, I have to go plug in my mouse. Eh? I can't move my mouse! Eh? I have tapped out of the game. But it's weird because the mouse light is on. Hold on, I have to follow the wire because the mouse wire is behind my PC, wired into my desk. Yes. Oh, you're so cute. I forgive you. You didn't mean to unplug my... Oh, you're hugging my leg. Yes. Oh, you love my leg, don't you? I gotta take a minute to get behind the PC, and if the stream dies, you'll know why. So, everyone, we have a problem. The mouse is wet. So, I cannot move. The mouse is dead, and I don't have a spare. How you end the stream? I have no idea. Can you Uber Eats a mouse? I'll ask Manny-chan to turn off the stream later. Yeah, he bit the cable, so I have no mouse. It's okay, I was due for a new mouse anyway. I forgive you, little baby. You're too cute.